No, it was a great time. She had a bunch of great stand-ups up there. Fucking audience was killer. It was awesome.
So obviously the next day I get drug tested, but I was ready. You know, I put heating pads on the piss. Yeah, it turns out the heating pads were a bad move because it was too hot. The guy that administers the test he goes, "Evan, this pee's too hot." I'm like, that's so weird. How could that happen? There's like steam coming up.
Dude, awesome show from fucking eyeballs to assholes. It was epic. Jocelyn Sharp knows how to lay it down. She's got big titty energy, and it's a fantastic show. You guys should come out to the next one.
I am bisexual, by the way, if you didn't get that by this part of my head. They have better lines. They say cooler shit, okay? Like that one. He says wearing a tie and a button-up. Whose fucking accountant is on the loose, first of all? You goddamn right, no. Your PTO's over. Go back to it.
The show is amazing. The crowd is fantastic. I had an awesome time. Come next month. Everyone should come and see the show.
I walked up on a couple of them. I was like, they were yelling at each other. They sounded like it was battle rapping. I got up close. I was like, oh shit, they're battle rapping. The one homeless dude was just like, your sleeping bag got holes in it. He was like, my sleeping bag got holes in it. And everybody just went nuts. It was like all the homeless people was like, oh!
Man, Filth Factor is something else, dude. Let me tell you, it was full of great comedians. The audience was on fire. It was crazy tonight. I loved it. I loved every single minute of it.
All right. You don't like the priest jokes? We'll go back to the gay jokes. Oh, that's right. Same thing.